Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Big Omo. I'm gonna be doing a quick top-down analysis on Bitcoin right now. So let's get into it. As you can see on my charts, Bitcoin is currently selling for 86, around 86, 85. So if you've seen my YouTube videos before, you know I like using the 4-hour time frame. So for those of you guys that are new here, I like to start my charts from the 4 hours time frame, sometimes daily time frame too. So on daily time frame, we can see we're on a massive bear trend. All right, on a very massive bear trend from this very break to the downside, like Bitcoin has been selling so rapidly. So back to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we can see sort of highs and low, high, low, high. So what a lot of traders will be expecting right now is something like this. Low, high. That's what a lot of people is expecting right now. Mind you, the market will always show you the possibility and rather take the probability because that's where the liquidity is. Everyone wants Bitcoin to buy. Everybody always want crypto to buy. So yeah, it's not buying right now. So you have to follow the trend. Remember, right? So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see this time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, we can see how the market is descending. So I'm just plotting a trend line from this very demand to the supply. So here's the demand. Here's the supply. So as you can see right now, so we've already established our supply and our demand zone, right? So as you can see right now, you can see that the market has already tested the supply zone and already break structure to the downside. This is what the market is currently doing right now. High, sorry, low, high, sorry, um, low, high, low. It says this level then to the downside. So basically, price is already doing exactly what it should already. So as soon as price sweep this liquidity, there's liquidity here, there's equal highs here. I dropped the liquidity video last week. So for those of you that is new here, you should also check out that video about liquidity and you understand what is going on right now. We could see the equal highs here. So here was the liquidity. Then price immediately sweep this liquidity and hit this supply zone back. And if you look at the sort of a pattern, the candlestick pattern, sort of evening star. I call this evening star, this candlestick pattern. Let me align that out for you guys. I call it evening star. So evening star is a bearish reversal candlestick pattern. So whenever it's found on the supply zone, it simply means price is going to reject from that level. Yeah, so simply means price is going to sell from that level. Yeah, so that's it. So why for bullish is a morning star. Yeah, it's called morning star. So wherever you see this kind of candlestick form on a supply zone, evening star, then if you see it on a demand zone, morning star, you just know that price is going to reverse from that level. You could see that price was buying from this level, it was buying high. Let's analyze it so very clear. High, low, equal high, low, high, low, high. Then immediately price drop to the downside. Like at this level, it's supposed to be low, high, right? That's what price supposed to have do. But instead, price sweep this liquidity, then immediately hit this supply zone. It created sort of a reversal pattern, which is the candlestick reversal pattern. Then started selling to the downside. Then it tested the level again, created sort of order block because buyers were still in the market. So order block failed, then dropped to the downside again. So there's a lot of things that just happened here. On my next video, I'm going to be talking about order block. So you should stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also leave a comment in the comment section what you think about Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin is going to continue selling or Bitcoin is going to buy? You understand? And mind you, for people that hold cryptos that are very good at holding, you should also buy Bitcoin. Yeah, this is a very good time to buy Bitcoin. If it's selling, this is a very, very good time to buy Bitcoin again, at least. So let's go down to the 15 minutes time frame. Let's have a very clear view of what's happening. So we could see a very clear view already. So at this level, just set your paid order. I like to set price alert. So I'll set price alert. And at the same time, set my paid order. Then at this level, I could use this level as my, because here is the previous resistance on the lower time frame. So I could use it as my FSL. But if if the risk to reward is small, you could also reduce the SL at this level. Just reduce it a little bit because if price can easily do something like this. Let me show you. So for the possibility of stomp hunt, you have to use a very good essay. I always advise that you use a very good essay on any trade. Then I can place this demand level as my TP. So it's very easy. You don't have to stay too much. This is a very short trade for Bitcoin. So let's see what price can do actually. So this is what I expect right now for price to do high, low, high, sort of like this, or maybe equal low here, then lower low, then sort of high to this level back. Understand? So it takes all this support level to create sort of resistance, then create the resistance, then sell to the downside, low, high, low, then high, then low, back to this demand level. And mind the price will easily break this demand level down to the downside, continue selling. But this is where I can hold the trade. And so as price gets to 85, probably 85. So this is very sure and a very nice setup on Bitcoin. So if you're seeing this trade now and you have good equity to enter this trade, I advise you to take this trade. You're gonna see price is gonna sell and price is gonna eat TP like a very short period of time. So let's see.